Hello, good evening, sir. Myself Vinit Vijay Kadam. My topic name is the cultural bridge between the Odisha and Maharashtra state. In both the places, the festivals are given importance throughout the year. There are some festivals like Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra, which is in Odisha and not in Maharashtra. Nowadays, Ganesh Puja takes place in both the places with full funfair. Kurtas are popular in Odisha but slightly less than Maharashtra. Both states are rich in culture and traditions. There are many cultural similarities between Odisha and Maharashtra. In both the places, the festivals are given much importance throughout the year. Food, habit, apparels, language are very common in the both of the states. The state of Maharashtra spans multiple cultures, which includes cultures related to Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, etc. Lord Ganesha, Maruti, Mahadev, in form of Shivlinga, Khandoba, Kalubai Devi, and Lord Vitthal are some of the deities worshipped by Hindus of Maharashtra. Odisha has had a continuous tradition of dharmic religions, especially Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Ashoka's conquest of Kalinga made Buddhism and principal religion in the state, which led to the establishment of numerous stupas and Buddhist learning center. Odisha is a confluence of the Aryan, Dravidian, and Adivasi culture. Most festivals in the state bring out some part of these cultures and celebrate their religion by way of festivals which span out the entire year. There are festivals that are common, but the celebration remains unique to a region. In Odisha, Odia language is spoken, also called Oriya, Indo-Aryan language with some 15 million speakers, a language officially recognized or scheduled in the Indian Constitution. It is also the main official language of the Indian state of Odisha. Maharashtra is one of the India's largest commercial and industrial centers, which has led to its being called the Gateway of India. Maharashtra is also famous for its culture and beauty. The ancient cave paintings found at Ajanta and Ellora are UNESCO World Heritage Sites and popular tourist destination. Thank you, sir. Hello.